name is Zachary and welcome back to another video where for this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the Water and Fun water pistol. So you press this trigger to start, then pump it up, but before we do that there's no water in there, see? Well, there is a tiny bit, but let me show you how to fill it up. So you see this yellow thing, hold here and twist anti-clockwise, remove it and you'll see a little tube, okay? Then turn on the cold or hot tap. I'll be using cold. Then fill it up. So now hold your pistol upside down, put in the tube and twist clockwise to get it in. Now press this, can you see this orange button? Press it. So before you do that, prom it up, lock, then shoot. So press the orange trigger and keep promming while you shoot. You can use it to water the plant, or if you want, or you can take it out and water the plants like this. See? So guys, that's pretty much it. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you next time in another video. Bye guys!